Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Coinbase wallet application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download Coinbase wallet application on your Android device, start off by opening up your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Coinbase wallet. Make your search. In the search result that appears on the display, tap on this Coinbase wallet app and tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your device, you'll be able to open up the application by tapping on the open button in green. That is how you'll be able to download the Coinbase wallet application on your Android device. Coinbase wallet is the mobile crypto wallet and Web3 app browser. It makes it easier for you to store your money securely and send and receive Bitcoins, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, Ether Classic, and much more. It also allows you to interact with Web3 decentralized application powered by Ethereum. That is how you'll be able to download the Coinbase wallet application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this again. Thank you for watching.